1. Eligibility. Minimum qualification. 5th standard pass. Maximum. Any degree, professional course, engineering, medicine, law, diploma, ITI, etc. Both fresh registrations and lapsed renewals allowed. 2. Documents required, scanned copies, Aadhaar card, mandatory, educational certificates, from 5th STD till highest degree, community certificate, if applicable, SC, ST, OBC, MBC, etc. Residence proof, ration card per exabyte bill, voter ID, transfer certificate, TC, sometimes asked. Passport size photo. 3. Registration process, fresh, visit official website right finger tnvelivoipu.gov.in. Click, new user, right pointing arrow register. Enter personal details plus Aadhaar verification. Upload documents, education, ID, etc. Submit and download employment card. Note your renewal date carefully. 4. Renewal process. Log in with your user ID and password. Click Renewal. Confirm existing details or update new qualification if added. Submit right pointing arrow acknowledgement and new renewal date will appear. 5. Lapsed renewal. Expired cards. If you miss renewal date, your card becomes lapsed. Government often gives grace period, 3 months or special extension. You can renew even after lapse, but in some cases you may need to visit district employment office with documents for reactivation. 6. Benefits of registration. Priority in TNPSC, Govt Job notifications. Certain posts are filled based on seniority in employment exchange. Helps in skill training programs and apprenticeship opportunities. Useful for scholarships, loans, welfare schemes. 7. Important notes. Bell always renew before expiry, every 3 years normally. Memo update new qualifications, diploma, degree, certificates. Right pointing arrow, it increases your chances. Loudspeaker, keep checking official website for special grace period announcements. Page facing up, upload documents, Aadhaar, certificates, address proof, caste certificate, if any, anti-clockwise arrows. Renewal right pointing arrow, login right pointing arrow, click renewal right pointing arrow, confirm details right pointing arrow, submit right pointing arrow, get new renewal date.